Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to walk through the steps to take to rename your class in Navigator. So once you log in on your landing page, you'll see all of the classes for which you are a teacher or a co-teacher. To change the name of the class the way it appears on your page and on your student's page, click the wheel icon for class settings on that class card. So I'd like to change this class's name from physics. So I'm going to click on the wheel icon to access the physics class settings. On the class page, now we can see here the class name. To make a change, click the pencil icon. You'll see a cursor appear and you can change the name of the class. Okay, so I've changed my class name to Math and Science Grade 8. You can change it to be your last name, the class period, however you want your students to see the class name. Once you're done, just click somewhere else on the screen. The cursor will disappear and this little pencil will reappear. If you want to make changes, just click on it again. You can close out. And now back on our main page, I can see the updated class name, Math and Science Grade 8. The same update will appear on your students' cards as well.